a simple locking mechanism to go over the Jeep fuel cap, which I think is a good idea. Little instructions, a couple keys, and some screws. So we're taking these out, push hard. It's short. Uh-oh, where'd that go? Okay, fit it on there. We're gonna fit it on over the existing holes, so they've gotta be lined up. This thing covers the entire plastic thing. Does that look lined up?
Yeah.
Being careful not to over tighten. Okay, why don't you do that one real slow? Put my finger in front of it. That's good. Go nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay, that's good. Now let's finger tighten them all with that just a little bit. Yep, I mean they should be pretty much there. Just till it's nice and snug. Okay, using this makes it pretty tight to get this out of here, and we noticed that if you have the cap like that, you can't lock it. So you gotta put your cap like that and then lock it. And that's it. It's pretty good.